distance, but when it's raining out, I got my little target down here and I'll shoot at it, just work on a good release and stuff. It's rainy today. You guys keep shooting. Only way to stay in tune. And I got my favorite bow over there, the old snakeskin outboard limb one. I've wore it out. Grips just, all the paint's wore off of it. I always leave an aluminum, you know, the dirty aluminum residue on my hands. I've shot the absolute crap out of this thing. This bow always hits where I want it to hit. It's hands down my favorite one. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Keep on shooting no matter if it's 2 yards or 100.